Hi, my name is Zachary Carey, and I'm an engineer here at Goodway Technologies. A big part of what we do here is help design and refine Goodway products and the processes that build them. Because our customers come from so many different industries, we offer both standard and custom solutions. Our customized products enable our customers to overcome not just everyday challenges, but the unique ones too. Being a manufacturing company ourselves, we understand the obstacles our customers face. That's why we work closely with them to design equipment that's practical, reliable, and built to perform.
My name is Tom, and I'm the Product Assembly Manager here at Goodway. Here in Stamford, Connecticut, we build industrial equipment designed to tackle the toughest cleaning and maintenance jobs. We have many products that support the manufacturing industry: tube cleaners, vacuums, coil cleaners, and so much more. We're shipping out approximately 9,300 units across the country and around the world. That's about 279,000 units a month and over 3.3 million every year. From the clothes you wear to the food you eat or the building you stand in, there's a good chance Goodway played a role in helping manufacturers make that product.
Since 1966, Goodway has been committed to engineering solutions that help businesses in various industries and facilities work cleaner, safer, and more efficiently. Today, we celebrate the manufacturing industry, to people who make it all happen, the makers, the problem solvers, and the builders of what's next. Today is for you. Happy Manufacturing Day.